So, hey guys, this was one of the trips. I was down in Jamaica and I was visiting my boyfriend for a little longer than usual. And I just came across like needing to do some laundry. So, I just thought it would be cool. Like, hey, babe, I've never done laundry by hand. Don't laugh at me. I live in America. It just was never something I had to do. But I admire it. I like the way it looks. I was even told the laundry comes out cleaner. Like, we're chilling today, just holding a vibe. Teach me how to do laundry by hand. So that's how this video came about. It's like makeshift. We threw it together and yeah.
Yeah.
All except for the red.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It's taking up all the water.
That's how the normally go. I'll give them a couple minutes to water while soaking and then you start washing.
Feels so good. My hands feel so soft.
Soap and just it on them. That take them hard, yeah, soap.
So apparently my hair bonnet has way too much hair product on it. It needs, what, 4 or 5 scrubbings? Thank you.
Did I use that?
Thank you. Yes, get it out. Make it clean. My hand can't catch the rhythm of that. So in this clip, I was having trouble catching the hand rhythm he was trying to teach me. I guess there's a certain sound you're supposed to make with your hand. That way you know you're getting it clean. So he just gave up and gave me a brush. So I started scrubbing with the brush. But then the rest I can just do right this time. Get breezy in the cool shade, taking them out. He said it's too hot in the front.
What you not doing? You washing, baby?
Washing my nightgown, washing my hair bonnet, so that when I wash my hair in the river, my hair bonnet will be fresh.
Fresh.
Yes. I'm so excited. I'm tired as fuck. So spider web. Over the spider web?
Oh, man, right beside of it, dude. You're good, man. Oh.
Keep do it.
Yeah, do it to you, man. What a video.
Oh God.
Alright, so you see the little spider in front of you on the tree?
Yeah.
No, like close to you, very, very close.
Okay, no.
Mama, you good, man. Try to now panic.
Laundry's done. Ready? Ready to go to the river?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah, put that in the bar. Put the basket in the bar.
Put it in the back.
In the bar.
Oh, okay. Ready?
Yeah, man. You sound like a country girl.
So after I was done washing laundry by hand for the first time, we hopped in the car to drive down to the river so I could wash my hair also for the first time in a river. I was super excited for that. So stay tuned for the next video where you'll see me just dousing in the river, washing my hair.